sa tanan. Good afternoon everyone. First, before anything else, I would like to acknowledge ang ating maganda at masipag na City Vice Mayor, Honorable Shirley Banyas Nograles. We are also privileged because we have here the handsome Mayor of Coronadal City. We have Mayor Peter Miguel. Colleague in government, of course, Councilor Shandy Lieto Pistaño, who happens to be the chair of the Committee on Tourism and also Social Services. Of course, we have Pai Hanina Tito, our CMO Executive Assistant, nagpangalan sa ating kalilangan. Ang kaibang department heads, assistant departments, LGU employees were with us this afternoon. Of course, ating representative, ating First District Congressman, Junan Charon, we have Attorney Paolo Charon. Colonel Renato Matero Batwa, Brigadier Commander. We have Christopher Franz Marie Villado, or among Magsaysay Colleges. Our new partner for Kalilangan 2015 is here. Of course, we have the very handsome and brand new Barangay Kapitan of Barangay Lagao. Of course, we have Kapitan Lolito Blanco. Sinabi ko brand new kasi nagpa-recommendation siya sa Cebu for a bit. Nakapay nga sa Kapitan. So, it's now ready to serve the constituents of Lagao. Sa ating pong pioneers and descendants, General Santos, of course, we have the new President, William Benigno Aquino, or Boy Aquino in short. We have Milagros Royeca Evangelista, our Vice President, Carmen Royeca, Secretary. Of course, we have the former immediate past President, Virginia Odi Lieto. We have also here the grandson of General Paulino Santos, of course, Amado Santos Munda. We have Tito Santos, Joel Santos, the rest of the Santos family were with us this afternoon. Sa lahat po ng ating descendants, guest this afternoon, good afternoon once again. Well, I'm very much happy. Actually, last night we just had our opening of the Kalilangan 2015. At the same time, we started our 76 activities for the 76 Foundation Anniversary. Now, I'm really privileged to be the mayor of this town, considering that this is a melting pot. No? This place is really a melting pot. Lahat po ng tribo nandito, and we really value the administration this time recognizes the importance of preserving the cultural heritage of the city. Because alam natin na talagang with cooperation, with unity ng lahat ng tao na nakatira dito 76 years ago ay nagbunga, and look at what we're experiencing now, the growth ng city. We all know for sure that the Jensen will really grow, and no matter what, this city will really grow. And of course, including Coronadal City. So, this time, we have new projects, upcoming projects. We have the refurbishment of our airport. That's a 959 million budget for that. We have a upcoming budget also for our Bacar Wharf, and that's it's almost 400 million budget for that. So talagang sabi ko nga na this city will really grow no matter what. Wala tayong makapuntahan kundi yung progress. But also, our city is really busy right now in putting a lot of changes and new innovations for our city. Right now, the major undertaking natin syudad, for one is the comprehensive land use plan that we're in the pipeline right now. We're discussing that. We're also moving towards the economic roadmap of Jensen. We have a partner, the University of Asia Pacific, for that matter. The revenue generation program, a lot of innovations that we're doing inside the local government right now. So talagang napaka-dami ng activities. Actually, na-overwhelm na kami minsan kasi syempre, considering yung ating bureaucracy ng government, when you do something, talagang may process. Hindi pwedeng agad-agad, nandyan ka agad. So that's why that's the only frustrations that we have sa local government. Napakabagal siya. But thankfully, natutuloy naman. But yun lang, may kapagalan siya. And hopefully, gusto sana talaga natin pabilisin because we don't have much time. We have to we have to go up sa talagang progress ng city. Of course, we have also a new partnership with Mindanao State University, yung migration study. That is very important because talagang before, I can still remember when I was still elementary, whenever I rode a plane going to Cebu, everybody there, every passenger, I know everybody. What family is ang galing, classmate ko, or family friend from Rotary, a friend from this town. Ngayon, if you ride the plane, talagang wala kang makilala. Minsan wala kang makilala. So that really means that the progress ng ating city. Yung bagsakan ng tao dito for opportunity is here. Even sa ating mga canning industry, if you take a look at it, lahat ng mga workers are not coming from here. Not originally from here. They're from Davao del Sur, as far as North Cotabato, South Cotabato, Sarangani. So talagang yung changes, cities really becoming very big. Sabi nga ni Mamili kanina, napakalaki na yung city natin. And we have to go up with that. So local government talagang ang laki ng obligasyon namin para sa inyo in order for us to really establish yung different na mga guidelines natin para for future growth ng city. Now, today, of course, this week, we're celebrating the 76th Foundation anniversary. And at the same time, kalangalian ng 2015. I'm very much privileged dahil talaga sa participation ng different NGOs, different partners like RMMC, the Santos family. You can also visit yung ating City Hall right now because we have a display of artwork from, of course, CEO Sir Munda. Ito na yung ating artwork. First, recently, we just opened yung ating photo exhibit or to see ng ating pioneers and descendants members or board. So, this is good, but talagang very informative for me as a mayor of the city and still learning ano po talagang nangyari before, paano naging Jensen ng General Santos, ano yung mga dinala ni General Santos and the rest ng ating mga senators na naging Jensen tayo, naging ganito tayo, naging tuna capital of the Philippines, naging City of Champions, naging Home of Champions. Pagsabi nila, pag Jensen, panalo. Like I said last night, karamihan pag Jensen, panalo yan, pag galing Jensen. Look at our